Everyone agrees the systems need to connect. The challenge starts when teams disagree on where responsibilities begin and end. Should this information live in ERP, MES, or the control system? Who owns it? How should it move between systems? The ISA 95 IEC 62264 Enterprise Control System Integration Certificate helps you answer these questions using the framework that manufacturers worldwide rely on for enterprise control system integration. You'll learn how ISA 95 defines system roles, structures information, and establishes clear boundaries between enterprise and manufacturing systems. That means fewer debates, more productive conversations, and integration decisions that are based on a common framework instead of assumptions. When everyone is working from the same model, interfaces are easier to define, projects move forward with less confusion, and architectural decisions become easier to defend. Learn more about the ISA 95 IEC 62264 Enterprise Control System Integration Certificate at isa.org/isa95cert. And when something does happen, you are ready to respond in a way that keeps the system stable. Register for IACS Cybersecurity Operations and Maintenance, IC37, and learn how to detect issues early and keep your system running without disruption. Register today.